Hello there, my name is Emin, EMCsoft, and this video is about robots paperwork part 2. In my last video, I explained how you can create automatically any document, how you can generate a document using template, how you can use template for the robot, and based on the stage you can generate document automatically. And today I will show you the rest robots in that section. So if we go to the leads and if we go to automation rules, if we click recreate and go to paperwork, so we discussed last time create document, and today we're going to discuss track entity view, track new entity, modify details and get details values. So track entity view is quite simple. If we'll add it, and I already created a stage, customer opened a link, so I will move that robot in that stage. That simply means that if client opened that document, you will know that, because lead will change a stage from create document to customer open a link. Okay, so as you remember, when I move to that stage, create document, automatically document created, I open a lead and open a document. And so via email you can send that document, or you can copy a link, open email, paste a link here and send that link via email. Okay, what happened if your client will open your invoice and follow the link, so he see your document? What happened here? You see that lead change stage from create document to customer open link, and that means that he currently watching your offer. So we can add something interesting here. We can add here employee alerts, add notification. So we add notification in that stage. That means that if lead will stay to that stage, you will send a notification to one of your manager which says that client right now check your offer or invoice. You may call to client right now. So sender will be, for example, supervisor. Where's supervisor here? So it's two responsible person. Okay, save. Let's test again. So responsible person of that lead is Emin, and so you send that document to client, and client follow the link, right? And immediately responsible person of the lead get notification, right? And because lead change the stage. So very useful. That's it for that. You can modify different conditions for that. You can use condition, and you can use actually different template, because I didn't use template means that any template, but I can use exact template. Okay, let's check another robot. If I click create, go to paperwork and track new entity. I will move it here and I will explain you how it is work. For example, your manager send an offer to client, and client says that I don't like that price, I need cheaper, but that invoice already agreed by supervisor. If manager want to change the price, he need to automatically get confirmation from his supervisor. How to get that? Using that robot. For example, so customer open link, client says that I need cheaper. So you go into the backstage process, go to products and change the price. So you make cheaper, right? Then manager create a document with new price. And what happened next? The thing is that because he changed the price in lead, document created, but it moved to the stage new entity because he changed the price. And how we can combine it with notification again? Employee alerts, add notification, and we can set up this notification right here, and we can use time and condition, but also we can tell to the supervisor So sender is responsible, but recipient will be supervisor, and that notification will tell to the supervisor. So supervisor, manager, name of a manager, responsible name, or made changes in the lead or deal. Please check lead and link to the lead, or check lead name. We'll put just lead name, responsible lead name. Okay. I will change now supervisor to me, because I will be supervisor. Okay, just to show you how I can get notification, I will put it here. We'll change price again, move to create document. So the new lead move to that stage, and I get notification. Manager Emin Mamedov, change the lead, please check lead test too. So there is no empty for supervisor because I have no supervisor. But anyway, good, very useful feature. What else? Also, we have another robot which says modify details. Okay, so modify details is very useful feature if you want to change company or any details of a company. How usually I do use that robot? Using call center 24, you may do a click by clicking on the number, select a number from which you want to call. You can add up to 100 numbers. Make a call. During the call, you can add to the call any contact from your Bitrix from leads or contacts. You can add call center user from user list in your Bitrix, or you can connect to that call somebody by type any number and connect to that call. Also, you can pass the call, mute the call, or transfer call to somebody else. Okay, so what does that mean? Entity types inside modify details. Entity type, company or contact. So means that where you want to do changes. Okay, if you open a lead, okay, let's move lead to the previous stage. Inside of lead, you got contact and you got company. So in both these objects, you may do the changes. There is objects you can save company data. So even a physical person, because he's a client, he can have company, he can have the details like he's in company. In that case, I will use entity type is company. Means that I will use this. So I'll open it. Then I'm using templates company as well. So when I got details, edit, I can add company or person. So company or person. So I'm using company because these details created as a company. So I'm going to details, and I can use delivery address because this address is delivery address. Okay, very time consuming to put each time create a company and each time to put data inside of a company manually. Physically happen when you create a lead inside of a lead or deal. You create a company inside of a company, go inside, then go to the details, and then only after that you put in data here, which is very time consuming. So you can modify that. How you can do that? Okay, so you selected where you want to do changes. Now I will save it for a while. It's not saving. I will put something here. Okay, I will give you example how you can use it. If you move that here, and inside of a lead, you can create a field, which will be string field. Okay, I'm going to a company, edit. So I will create now custom field with company name, how I want to see company name inside of a document. Okay, and I will put it like company name manual. Okay, and also, so I want to copy from custom fields here data here. Okay, then I'm creating string field again, and it will be VAT manual as well. Okay, that's it. So we will do only 2 changes. When I'm running a deal or lead, I'm taking data from the client. EMCsoft, and that is LT something. Right. So I want to copy these 2 fields to here automatically based on the stage. For that, I need to go to the robots and move that robot in modify detail stage, which I created before. And because I want to use company here, I want to add the condition, and I want to put company name. So I'm selecting this condition. It's selected from these sections, which is company name means this one. And I want to put here data from custom fields I created before. Go to the lead and try to find company name manual. This one. Okay. Then I add another condition, VAT ID, this one, and the same. Now move that lead to this stage, and let's update what kind of data we have for that particular company. Right, EMCsoft, and this ID updated. Good. Much easier, much faster, and you save a lot of time to copy data from lead or deal to the company details sections. Good. Okay, what else? We got another automation rule, which is get details value. So this is not actually a robot, this is a helper. Helper means that we're doing something for another robots. That robot extract data and make that available for another robots. So how it is working? I will extract data, and that data extraction working in the same way. So entity type, extract data from the company, then go to the company and use templates company. So it means that extract details, which is company, and use it if you need. You can not set it, delivery address. Okay, good. So I created, but I will use it for get values here section. Right. So that means that when I move a lead to get values section, data automatically will be extracted and saved internally for that stage. Okay, but how can you use it? For example, you want to send automatically email to client says that dear, we created invoice for company name, data extracted, and VAT ID, data extracted. Okay, for example, customer communication, send email to customer. So I will send from sender test. Okay, I will not put anything here for now. I will just put it here, and I'm editing it. So test, dear client, we created invoice for your company and extract company name. Automation rules, get values data, company name. So means that company name extracted from here because previously we selected in helper. And for VAT ID, again, automation rules, get values and VAT ID, and save. So if I will move that lead to get values, so I open that lead, I can see outgoing email, and you see that dear client, we create invoice for company EMCsoft, VAT ID. So compare, all the same. And if I'm going back to automation rule, so when I edit that email, I can see the helper automation rule. Okay, but for example, I move that robot from here, and I'm coming back to that robot again, I do not see that helper because data didn't extract it. So if you want to send data to the customer, you need to use that helper. Okay, good. We discussed all robots in that section paperwork. Then next my videos I will discuss payment and the rest robots. So if you like that video, click like. If you got the questions regarding that video, please put your questions under comments onto that video, and thank you and bye bye.